On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide repost on TikTok so that all videos that you have reposted on your TikTok account will become hidden. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your TikTok app. Once you've opened your app, what you have to do next is to click on your profile section. So once you click on your profile section, you have to click on this three dot icon that you can see at the top. Once you click on that, simply click on settings and privacy. So once in here, click on privacy and then activate privacy so that you'll be having a private account. The reason why you are doing this is so that the only people that will be able to actually access your repost are people that send you a follow request and have been accepted. So those will now be the only people that will be able to access your TikTok repost. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.